Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the previous year solved question paper of BHU LLM entrance test of the year 2017. I have already explained the previous year question paper of 2019 and 2018 as well. You may find the same in the playlist section of the channel and also in the I button attached over the image in the same video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because many of you do watch the videos but never subscribe to the channel, so kindly do that, and also share our video to millions of people so that everybody gets benefited. So without wasting any time, let us start with our first question. Today we are going to deal with you a total number of 120 questions. So let us start. And in case if you face any difficulty, any doubt, you can share the same in the comment section below. Question number 1. Who is not associated with analytical positivism? This is option number 4, O.W. Holmes. So let me tell you first, these questions are suggestive in nature. You may find certain mistakes, and if you find, so if you have the if you have some other answer, you can explain the same in the comment section. Question number 2. Interest theory of right has been given by, this is option number 3, Ehring. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an attribute of sovereignty? This is option number 4, continuity. Question number 4. Time bar date is an example of, this option number 2, imperfect right. Question number 5. The distinction between concept of law and idea of law was made by, it is made by, actually I have not chosen any correct answer because I have certain confusions regarding it. So according to me it will be option number 3, John Rawls, but I am not sure about it. So if you have the answer, kindly share the same in the comment section. Question number 6. Who is not associated with the economic interpretation of law? This is option number 3, Antonio Gramsci. 7. Thiebaud's proposal for codification was halted due to influence of option number 2, von Savigny. Question number 8. The distinction between morality of duty and morality of inspiration was made by, this option number 2, L.L. Fuller. Question number 9. The term skeptical movement was given by, also I have chosen the correct answer because I have certain reservations about the answers. So this is why I haven't chosen any answer in this question. Question number 10. A realist movement thinker who has argued for temporary divorce between ease and autis. This is option number 2, Carl Lelevin. Question number 11. In whose theory of law coercion finds no place? This is option number 3, Hans Kelsen. Question number 12. Jurisprudence was the first of the sciences to be born. This statement is of option number 4, Wurzel. Question number 13. Which school is blamed for juristic pessimism? It is option number 4, historical. Question number 14. Law is reason free from all passion. This statement is of option number 4, Aristotle. Question number 15. The center of gravity of all legal development lies not in legislation, nor in juristic science, nor in judicial decisions, but in society itself. This statement is of option number 2, Eugene Eldridge. Question number 16. Who has viewed the concept of justice as irrational ideals? This is option number 1, Hans Kelsen. Question number 17. The two Supreme Court judges who delivered the famous 2G judgment in February 2012 were, this is option number 2, Justice G.S. Singhvi and Justice A.K. Ganguly. So according to me, the jurisprudence, the questions relating to jurisprudence are a little tough in this paper, and it was actually a challenging task for me to get the right answers because these kind of questions are not easily available even on the MCQ books which are available in the market. So I have found the answers based on my personal research. So this is the reason why I always urge you to subscribe to the channel, at least to value my hard work, so that I can bring more such videos. I can even do more hard work for you. Question number 18. Which is the only state in India to have the common civil code? This is option number 2, Goa. Question number 19. Which one of the following is not the state for the purpose of Article 12 of the Constitution? This is option number 1, Institute of Constitutional and Parliamentary Studies. Question number 20. Under the Indian Constitution, which one of the following is not a specific ground on which the state can place restrictions on freedom of speech and expression. This is option number 2, decency or morality. Question number 21, the appropriate writ which has been issued by the Supreme Court to quash the appointment of a judge of a high court is known as option number 2, certiorari. Question number 22, the Supreme Court has held that limited oral hearing of review petition is mandated by Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Identify the case. This is option number 4, Mohammad Arif and others versus the Registrar, Supreme Court of India and others. Question number 23, in Constituent Assembly, who was appointed as chairman of Minority Subcommittee? This option number 3, Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, S.C. Mukherjee. Question number 24, in Abhiram Singh versus C.D. Komachen 2017, dissenting opinion is expressed by, this is option number 3, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud. 25, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of section 499 and 500 of IPC and section 199 of Code of Criminal Procedure in option number 1, Subramaniam Swamy versus Union of India. Question number 26, the Supreme Court of India in this case ruled that any member of parliament, member of legislative assembly or member of legislative council who was convicted and awarded a maximum of 2-year imprisonment would lose membership of the house with immediate effect. This is option number 1, Lily Thomas versus Union of India. 27, the concept of late night petition was the result of option number 1, Yaqub Abdul Razak Memon versus State of Maharashtra. Question number 28, the Supreme Court recalled its earlier order December 15, 2015 and appointed Justice Dash, former judge of Allahabad High Court, under Article 142 of the Constitution of India as a Lokayukta of Uttar Pradesh. So the Supreme Court appointed Justice Virendra Singh, who was the former judge of Allahabad High Court, as a Lokayukta of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 29, Banaras Hindu University has been declared by Parliament by law to be an institution of national importance. Identify the relevant entry of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. This option number 1, entry 63 of list 1. So entry 63 of list 1 deals with institution of national importance. Question number 30, the concept of curative petition was first evolved by the Supreme Court of India in the matter of Rupa Ashok Hurra versus Ashok Hurra. Is curative petition is generally, this option number 4, not heard in open court and is circulated to a bench of 3 senior most judges who pass the judgment under challenge. Question number 31, in which one of the following cases the Supreme Court has held that adjudication of fatwa doesn't have force of law and therefore cannot be enforced by any process using coercive method? This is option number 4, Vishwa Lochan Madan versus Union of India. 32, an appealing in the name of religion, race, caste, community is impermissible under the Representation of People Act 1951 and would constitute a corrupt practice. This observation was made by the Supreme Court in this option number 1, Abhiram Singh versus C.D. Komachen. Question number 33, Indian Contract Act was enacted in the year option number 2, 1872. 34, an agreement with a minor in India is void. Option number 1. 35, wagering agreement is index defined in option number 2 under section 30. 36, the limitation for simple contract is option number 2, 3 years. Question number 37, a contract may be discharged by, operation, performance, waiver and operation of law for all of the above. 30, an agreement between two persons to gain or lose prize on the result of a cricket match is option number 3, void. 39, in order to convert a proposal into a promise, the acceptance must be option number 3, absolute and unqualified. Question number 14, an agreement in respect of marriage of a minor is actually valid, option number 3. 41, the transfer of contractual find rights is fined in option number 2, it is assignment of contracts. 42, which of the following cases is on the meaning of immorality? This is option number 4, Gherulal versus Mahadev Das. 43, Harris versus Nickerson relates to option number 4, invitation to auction. Question number 44, agent is defined under section option number 1, section 182. 45, hardly rule is relates to, so it relates to damages, that means special damages relates to. 46, which one of the following is not a mode of discharge of contract? This is option number 4, by assignment. 47, a loss sustained in a breach of contract is acquitted by payment of option number 1, general damage. 48, a person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into his custody is option number 3, bailey thereof. 49, the word tort is derived from tortum, which is actually a French term. 50, in law, tort damages used term is used to express option number 4 compensation for loss cost. 51. Who observed just as criminal law consists of a body of rules establishing specific offences, so the law of torts consists of body of rules establishing specific injuries. So this statement has been made by option number 3 Sir Salmond. 52. For the tort of false imprisonment, knowledge of being detained, it is actually option number 2 is not necessary. Question number 53. Innuendo is option number 1 prima facie innocent. 54. Trespass to land is option number 4. It is based on the maxim of trespass quare clausum frigit. Question number 55. Profits of pender is relating to take. Pender is relating to take. Option number 4. Right to take something of the land of another person. 56. Tort of slander of title is injurious to persons title to. Option number 1. Immovable property only. So tort of slander of title is applicable only to immovable property only. Question number 57. Rylance versus Fletcher, in which rule of strict liability was laid down, it was decided by. So it was decided by option number 4 Lord Cairns. Question number 58. In case of state of Punjab versus modern cultivators, Supreme Court observed that the construction of canal for irrigation is actually option number 3 neither natural use of land nor non-natural use of land. 59. Nulli injuria est quae in voluntary fiat maxim is used in reference to option number 3. It is used in consent defense. This maxim is used in consent defense. 60. Employer is liable for tort committed by employee when employment of employee is under only when a contract of service. So contract for service is applicable only to contractors, work which is done by contractors. Question number 61. Absolute liability rule laid down in case of MC Mehta versus Union of India imposes liability on it is option number 1 any person indulged in hazardous or inherently dangerous activity. Question number 62. Principle of res ipsa loquitur is option number 3 shift. It's actually principle of res loquitur shifts onus of proof, option number 3. 63. Public nuisance becomes tort of nuisance when act of nuisance causes, when it causes option number 1 common injury or annoyance to public. Question number 64. In cases of wagon mount, case number 1 and case number 2, an important rule of tort liability was laid down. The rule is it is option number 2 test of foreseeability. 65. A shows a loaded revolver to a dead man and dishonestly removes valuables from dead body. Which offence has A committed? He has actually committed the offence of option number 1 theft. 66. A woman was passing through a deserted street. Suddenly X comes in front of her and showing knife removes jewelry from her body. X has committed the offence of this option number 3 robbery by extortion. Question number 67. While distinguishing attempt to commit an offence from its mere preparation, which principle was applied by the Supreme Court of India in Malkiyat Singh versus State of Punjab, this option number 1 proximity theory. Question number 68. Which of the following statement is true? This is option in distinguish attempt to crime and its mere preparation. So in this case option number 1 impossibility theory is applicable in India. Question number 69. The Indian Penal Code 1860 doesn't recognize the punishment of this option number 1 transportation for life. Question number 70. The expression dishonestly has been defined under the Indian Penal Code as option number 3 intentionally causing wrongful gain or loss. Question number 71. The Privy Council pointed out the distinction between common intention and similar intention in the case of option number 3 Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. Question number 72. The delivery of property is not an essential element of this option number 1 mischief. Question number 73. Maxim doli in capax is applicable with respect to act done by a child who is option number 1 below 7 years of age. Question number 74. Which section of the Indian Penal Code Act is based on McNaughton's rules? This option number 3 section 84. This is defense of insanity. 75. A person can give consent according to section 90 of the IPC who has attained the age of, this is option number 3 12 years. So consent can be given who has attained the age of 12 years and above. Question number 76. A person compelled by threat of instant death may avail the defense under section 94 of the Indian Penal Code if the offence committed by him is when it is option number 3 sedition, otherwise it is not applicable in case of murder or waging war against the state. Question number 77. The right of private defense is not available against the offence of this option number 4 cheating. 78. The right of private defense of property doesn't extend to voluntary causing death of the wrongdoer if the offence is, this is option number 3, mischief by fire committed on any abandoned building. So in this case, right to private defense of property doesn't extend to the causing of death. Question number 79. The maxim furiosus furor non loco est has been incorporated as a defense in section, this is option number 2, section 84. Question number 79-80. Sergeant Polar in Reniger versus Fugosa gave recognition to the defense of option number 4, voluntary intoxication. 81. The following program may be an example of green economy in India. This is option number 3, Jal Yatayat. Question number 82. Which of the following under the Environment Protection Act cannot be delegated? This is option number 3, power to make rules. Question number 83. The National Environment Policy of India 2006 acknowledges the following as cause of degradation of environment except option number 3, poverty. 84. In case of inconsistency between the reports of Government and Pollution Control Board over a sample, the report of the following shall be admissible. So it is actually option number 2, Board's laboratory. Question number 85. Which of the following is true? State government in consultation with the Pollution Control Board may declare any area as air pollution control area. So this question has been taken from Air Act. Question number 86. Power to give instructions for ensuring automobiles emission standards has been laid down under this option number 2, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. Question number 87. The main purpose of passing of Environment Protection Act was empowering the central government of this option number 4 to comply with the Stockholm Conference. 88. Which of the following state doesn't enforce the water prevention and control of pollution with immediate effect? This option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 89. Polluter pays principle has been recognized as the government's fundamental environmental policy by the Supreme Court in this option number 1, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Question number 90. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs but not every man's greed was said by option number 3, Mahatma Gandhi. 91. National forest policy be read as part and parcel of the provisions of the Environment Protection Act. Observed by Supreme Court in option number 2 is T and Goda Varman versus Union of India. 92. Criminal liability of the corporate manager for violation of pollution control law is based on this option number 4, strict liability. 93. Who among the following is a monist? This option number 4, Hans Kelsen. 94. Breadth of territorial sea extends to, this option number 3, 12 nautical miles from baseline. Question number 95. Which of the following is not the specialized agency of the United Nations? This is option number 3, World Trade Organization. 96. United Nations Charter entered into force on this option number 2, 24 October 1945. 97. Which of the following article of the statute of the International Court of Justice contains a list of sources of international law? This is option number 1, article 38. 98. International Court of Justice has started functioning since, this is option number 1, 1946. 99. Permanent Court of International Justice was established in option number 2, 1920. 100. Which of the following cases clearly supports the doctrine of incorporation? This option number 4, Bank of Ethiopia versus National Bank of Egypt. 101. Declaration of Territorial Asylum was adopted on, this option number 2, 14th December 1967. 102. The non-permanent members of the Security Council are elected for a term of option number 3, 2 years. Question number 103. Which of the following cases is not related to custom as a source of international law? This is option number 4, Civil Air Transport versus Central Air Transport Corporation. 104. Which of the following cases relates to the definition of sovereignty? This is option number 4, Island of Palmas arbitration case. 105. The question is whether A committed a crime at Calcutta on certain day. The fact that on that day A was at Lahore is relevant. Option number 4, as it makes the existence of fact and issue highly probable. 106. Which section of the Evidence Act removes the bar of doctrine that husband and wife were one person in law? This is option number 3, section 120. 107. Which one of the following cases directly related to section 32 clause I of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number 2, Pakal Narayan Swamy versus Emperor. 108. Under which section of the Evidence Act admissibility of evidence shall be decided by the judge? This is option number 1, section 135. 109. Child marriage has been declared under the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 as option number 2, voidable marriage. 110. In determining cruelty for receiving divorce in Hindu law, intention of the party is option number 2, not material. Question number 111. Legitimacy has been provided to children born out of void and voidable marriages in Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Under section, this is option number 3, under section 16. 112. By the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, the daughter has been made herein. Option number 1 only, co-personal property governed by Mitakshara. 130. Pious obligation theory under Hindu law has been abolished by option number 4, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. For 140, murderer has been disqualified in Hindu law to inherit the property of person murdered when murder is committed. Option number 4, in furtherance of the succession. 115, preferential right to acquire interest in immovable property on family business of interstate has been provided in Hindu Succession Act 1956 to this is option number 2, heirs of class 1. 169, Hindu born blind claims father's property by way of succession. He will, option number 1, will succeed. 117, under Muslim law, the method of all, which means increase and rad, which means actually not return reducing, but used in, this is used in option number 3, inheritance. Question number 118, doctrine of Istihsan was propounded by this option number 4, Hanafi school of Muslim law. 119, if a Muslim woman whose marriage to a living man subsists under Muslim law marries again, her second marriage will be, this will be batil, void of Muslim law. Question number 120, under Hanafi law, a marriage contracted during iddat is actually irregular fasid. So this is the end of the session today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Kindly people share this content to your friends and family whom you know they are preparing for the upcoming exam. It will be beneficial for all of you, and of course people kindly do us a favor and subscribe to the channel, because it takes a lot of hard work to prepare such videos before you. And the most challenging thing is, like, I do not have the answer key, but I make a deep research, and it takes almost like like 24 hours, I would say. So this is the reason why I'm telling you to kindly subscribe to the channel. It will be what to say, beneficial for you also, so that we can make such more videos again and again and present it before you. So with this note, I'm signing off. Have a great day.